Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Gala video update today. All right, so first of all, I know that Gala is dropping down because Bitcoin is also coming down, and when you're trading an altcoin, you got to see what Bitcoin does and how Bitcoin behaves as well. So don't be surprised that we're getting the reds, and I'm gonna tell you where the next technical target can potentially be. So at the moment, you have Gala that has absolute bloodbath. Okay, I kind of like it. I really like, the weekly. The weekly is amazing. If you look at it, I mean, who can say this is bad? This is amazing. This is a discount. This is shopping time, for the people who love to shop, long term and trade the bull cycles as well. But now, when you go to a different time frame, it's hell, because if I dive into the 1 hour time frame and I do zoom in there, so when they say zoom in, it's really stressful, and when you zoom out, it's actually heavenly. So zoom in hell, zoom out heaven. I think that's gonna be the video. The title of the video is gonna be set right there. So you got a Gala now on the 1 hour time frame printing in a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Right now, before that 1 hour time frame, I want to go into the weekly and tell you that even on the weekly time frame, you got 2 more days to close this week, and unfortunately the weekly also have a very negative candle. Now these two candle combined are not good. These are wrong. This is like bearish harami, and if you do come down here, that's going to be bearish engulfing candlestick, and then next week you're probably going to continue on with the downtrend. So I don't expect anytime soon that you're going to look to go to the upside. Bitcoin has been overextended, and I think altcoins are getting a lot of bait right now. But anyways, back to the 1 hour time frame here, and let's talk about what the 1 hour time frame has to offer, because it is offering something of a selling opportunity. So right now we got this little bit of a triangle, neckline going on. So if I do zoom in right there, you got one touch, second touch, and now you're getting the third touch as well, right? So we need to see a break to the downside, which I'm expecting, by the way. I'm expecting a breakdown, a retest, and then we go off for a technical target, which is going to be from this point to that point, and that's going to be almost a drop of nearly 0.2865. So we're talking about a drop in the percentage terms. We're going to measure this, it's going to be like 27%. But keep in mind that one more thing is, this twist into something different as well. Do you remember there's a different pattern that I talked about as well? And I'm going to dive into the 4 hour time frame. Now that you're looking to come down near 2.8, which is this level, why not go all the way down to this trend line, and which is going to be 22 something? And that will offer an amazing entry opportunity, because I would like to get an entry down here and then ride it all the way back up, because you got the one touch there, second touch here. Equally, you're getting this bullish descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern, by the way. It's just that in the middle you're getting some bearish candles, but overall you're getting a bullish pattern as well. So that's one way to look at it. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Gala, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.